good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 21 from verse 1 to verse 14. Jesus never did follow them. After this year, Jesus showed himself to him follower them one more time. That time him do it at the Tiberias Sea. This hour, Simon Peter, Thomas, we then call Didymus, Nathaniel, we come from Cana in Galilee, Zebedee boy picnic them, and two of Jesus other follower them. Did they together? May catch fish, Simon Peter said to them. So they answer him say, we are come with you. Then go in the boat, but the night they no catch a thing. Early in the morning, Jesus did not turn up at the seaside, but him follow them nice to say him. Him call out to them and say, brethren, we don't have no fish. No, they answer. So he tell them say, fling over on the net on the right hand side of the boat, and we find so. So them do that. And they couldn't pull up back the net, say the whole heap of fish where they catch with it. Then the follower with Jesus did love tell Peter say, and the Lord said time Simon Peter hear that day, he wrapped little clothes where he did have on round him. Because he didn't have on nothing on that. And he jumped in the water. The other follower them follow back of Peter. Them did all in the net full of fish. Because they far from shore. Only about 100 yards. When they reach in, they see coal fire with fish and bread upon it. Jesus said to them, say, carry some of my fish when you catch come. Simon Peter climbed in the boat and all in the net. It is full of big fish, 153 of them. But with all the amount of fish there, the net name bust up. Come and breakfast, Jesus said to them. But none of them name bare face enough to ask him, say, who you? Because they didn't know say I did the Lord. So Jesus come, take the bread and give them, and he do the same thing with the fish. Now that make 3 times Jesus show himself to him follower them after he come back alive. And God word this. Thank God.